Hi guys! Let's see how to choose the default apps and programs in Windows 10. You see this frequently when you install a new software or app on your Windows PC and it automatically sets itself as the default, or you may have changed it for a reason that you can't recall. Here's how to select the default programs and applications in Windows 10. The default app will open all supported files and is simple to customize. If the new app is enabled to open all files by default, it replaces your current app and opens all of the files in the new app. First, launch Windows settings using the keyboard shortcut Windows key and I, or use the Start menu and open the settings from the settings gear icon on the bottom left side. Under the settings, click on Apps from the list as shown. On the left side, click on Default Apps, and click on the app that you want to set as default for the file types. You can also choose the default apps by their file types. Click on Choose Default Apps by File Type link on the right side as shown under the default apps. Now choose the app shown alongside the file type to set as default. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.